Okay, so initially it's larger than I thought it was gonna be. What's up everybody? Garage Gym Gains back at it with another gym tour. This one is a silent walkthrough. It's about 2.5 minutes long, so we'll break it down, see what's in there. Subscribe so you don't miss any more content. And if you have a home gym that you want me to review, record a video of it horizontally, upload it to YouTube, and send me the link. So I believe this is about a $15,000 setup. It's Travis's. I'm gonna link it in the description to his Instagram. It's a home gym / arcade, so I don't know if the 15,000 encompasses everything or just the home gym. So we'll try to do our best to find out. Okay, so first off, obviously we're starting with the arcade. I don't know anything about arcade games other than they're fun, and he has quite a few. Oh my goodness, we are gonna have some pretty serious equipment in here. Pause that kind of a blurry spot, but all right. Okay, so initially it's larger than I thought it was gonna be, so. Oh my goodness, there's a few punching bags, a wrestling mat, all kinds of stuff. Okay, so we're gonna watch this through while I'm talking about it, and then we're gonna go back through and try to break it down, because it's a lot to take in. Obviously we have the Echo Bike. I believe that's some type of a neck apparatus back there. Leg press, leg extension, calf raise. Got the pull down, the battle ropes. Wow. Chest fly. Pretty much everything's Legend Fitness, which is very cool. Now this is new to the channel. We have not had this in depth of kind of a wrestling mat style MMA type. I don't know a lot about that either, so I won't commentate on it too much. Giant cable crossover. Everything in here is commercial grade. The dumbbells with the racks. A few kettlebells on there. Got the medicine balls, the heavier dumbbells. Preacher curl. This is incredible. Fujimat's facility design. I was not expecting it to go this far back in here. Wow. There's the deadlift platform with the Captain America plates. I love it. Got the Olympic bench. Okay, we're gonna start over and break it down piece by piece. Obviously we have the arcade games, we already talked about that. I don't know anything about them. Quick overview, looking through the room, and then he's gonna go through here. So my first guess is that this was some type of a smaller commercial gym buyout situation. Maybe even like a school or something like that. It's strange. I mean, it's awesome, but you wouldn't expect to be able to find all these pieces individually unless they were all new, which would be very cool as well. I'm not sure which it was. Hopefully he gets on here and he lets us know, but it could go either way in my opinion. By the way, be looking at your favorite piece of equipment or picking out your favorite piece of equipment so you can comment down below so we can compare what everybody's favorites are. We have the full leg press, the ab chair, or hanging leg raise, what have you. The Echo Bike. This is a nice mix of newer, high quality pieces as well as some new stuff sprinkled in. The chest fly over there, leg extension, leg curl. I believe this is some type of a neck machine. I'm not really sure. We got the seated calf raise, the leg press. This is an incredible gym. Very thorough setup. If anybody knows what this machine is, it's a bad spot to pause it because of the giant pillar there. But if anybody knows what that machine is, please let us know down below, because I'm not too sure what it is, actually. Got the wrestling mat training area. Full cable crossover. This is incredible. I don't know if I've said that enough yet. Very impressive. We even have the forearm trainer down there. I was drinking Fairlife this time and I'm out already. Squat rack back there, flat bench, incline bench, no decline bench. Well, he has the separate decline over there. Chest supported back row. He's got everything. He really does. All right. So that's about it. Travis, thank you for letting us see your gym. Absolutely incredible. Drop a comment down below and thumbs up the video on your way, but let us know what your favorite part about his gym is. We'll wait a little bit. While you're typing, I'll let you know how to get your video on here, your tour rather, your gym. Record a video horizontally, upload it to YouTube. Send me the link on Instagram, garage_gym_gains, or garage_gym_gains with a Z at gmail.com. The with the Z part describing how it's spelled, not part of the email address, obviously. But, are you ready? My favorite part about Travis's gym is that wrestling mat, boxing/MMA type training area. I'm not sure exactly what it is. I don't know a whole lot about that, but it is extremely cool and the first time we've seen it on the page. So if you like home gyms, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Lots more coming soon. I thought I was going to put something at the end there, but as per usual, I'm not.